Puravankara Group is coming up with its new launch project now in Judiciary Layout, Vajrahalli South, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Puravankara, codenamed Diamond. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of our project, and I'm on the actual site of our project. And the main entrance is just over here. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here and the marketing office is inside in the background. You can have a look. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. And Puravankara, codenamed Diamond, is spread across 3.6 acre of land parcel, consisting of two iconic towers with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 39 floor, offering you 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium homes. This project offers you just 260 units with remarkable low density project and 80% of open space. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on Kanakpura main road in Judiciary Layout, Vajrahalli South, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. And I'm standing on the main entrance, and just behind me is the main entrance, and this is the Kanakpura main road. So this road will connect you towards Nice Ring Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards JP Nagar. Talking about the further connectivity part, so just you can have a look in the background. This is the Talagattapura metro station in just 200 meters from our main entrance. Shankar Super Specialist Hospital, which is 1.4 kilometers away, where DMart is 2 kilometers and Delhi Public School is 3 kilometers away from our project. Talking about the amenities, and this project offers you 50 plus world class amenities, like of 30,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. You get sitting pavilion, gymnasium, kids play area, swimming pool, multi-purpose court and many more amenities. Coming to the super built-up area, as mentioned, this project offers you 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium homes, where 3 BHK is starting from 1950 square feet, 3.5 BHK starting from 2250 square feet, super built-up area. Coming to the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. So our EOI window, that is expression of interest window, is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of codenamed Diamond by Puravankara Group, located in Judiciary Layout in Vajrahalli South, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.